Hello everyone, welcome to my another video. Today I will show you how you can fix at issue in your laptop. Well, in most of the laptop you will find at symbol printed in your keyboard on numeric 2, whereas in some other keyboards you will find printed somewhere else. So how you can fix it: if you press shift and numeric 2, you will find at symbol instead of double quoted. Whereas in this picture, this is my laptop, so if I press shift and add key, which is not on numeric 2, then only it will become as at symbol. As you all know, we are using it to type the email address and for any other things as well. So how you can fix that at symbol will come as on numeric 2? So let's start. So you have to click on start menu in Windows 10 operating system and type language, language, language settings. So click on language settings. As you can see, my current keyboard configured as English United Kingdom. Okay, in this United Kingdom, if you press shift and numeric 2, you will find double quoted symbol. And what we want at symbol on numeric 2. Okay, how we can change it? So what you have to do, you have to configure English United States. So go on add language, just type here English, and you have to find United States. Okay, here's the one, United States English. So I have to click on it and go next and install. That's it. So English United States is installed now. Okay, just close it. Okay, and here near to the timer you have to change the keyboard to United States. I'll repeat again, near to the timer there is a icon to change the keyboard. So you have to go United States, click on United States, and now let's open the notepad, and now I'm pressing again shift and 2. Here's a one at symbol. If I click on shift and press 2, I'm finding at symbol. So that's it, is fixed now. So this is the process, this is the way you can fix at issue in all Windows 10 operating system. Well, thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you so much.